Hey everybody, how's it going? My name is Ryan and welcome back to Iowa Classic Cars. Today it's about 5 degrees. We're going to get a 1961 Impala two-door hardtop, also known as a bubble top, over in Markle, Indiana. I'm here with my buddies at their house in Chicago, so I'm going to start the truck, let it warm up, and got a good video for you guys today, so stay tuned. She is. (1961) Impala two-door hardtop. It's got some damage, but it's definitely a good builder. Seats are in it. Dash is in it. Floors are not in it. Trunk pan's not too terrible. It's got some rust on the corners there, kind of typical on these cars, and a little in the very back, but not terrible at all. Here's the other side. Here's nice steering wheel, the nice dash. Again, the floors are pretty much out of it, but it's easy to replace. Alrighty, so the trunk has been bungee corded around the bumper. That ain't gonna move. Both these axle straps here on the back are crisscrossed. So you have two in the front there. We got two here in the front in the winch, so she's good and secure. Won't be moving whatsoever. Alrighty, about 10 minutes later, hood strap down, two straps on the front, two on the back, nice and tidy. Back wheel does not roll, but that's okay.
Actually, there's another one. There's two of them. I haven't gone and get the other one yet. The other one's totally rolled. It's pretty roached out. Looks like
It's a good looking car. Marsh, you approve?
Sure.
Good enough. So everyone, that concludes the video for today. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to give a like rating before leaving. Leave a comment with any feedback on the video and how I can improve these future videos, and subscribe for more videos like this on a weekly basis. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Ryan. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.